Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make vanilla pudding from the box. First, let's gather our ingredients and tools. You'll need a box of vanilla pudding mix, milk, and sugar. Also, grab a medium saucepan, a whisk, and your serving dishes. Always check the pudding box for the exact amounts of milk and sugar required, as these can vary by brand and size. Now, let's combine the ingredients. Pour the contents of the pudding mix packet into your medium saucepan. Add the specified amount of sugar, usually a few tablespoons, and 2 cups of milk. Whisk these ingredients together continuously until the mixture is completely smooth and all the powder has dissolved. This step is crucial for preventing lumps later on. Next, we'll cook the pudding. Place your saucepan over medium heat. It's very important to stir the mixture constantly as it heats up to prevent it from sticking to the bottom and burning. Once the pudding comes to a full boil, continue stirring vigorously for 1 minute. This ensures the pudding thickens properly and reaches the correct consistency. Finally, it's time to chill and serve your delicious pudding. Carefully remove the saucepan from the heat. Pour the hot pudding into individual serving dishes or a larger bowl. To prevent a skin from forming on top, press plastic wrap directly onto the surface of the pudding. Then, refrigerate it for at least 4 hours or until it's completely set and cold. Enjoy your homemade treat.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.